Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can integrate your Soundpad on your Discord account. So if you want to use the Soundpad sounds like this, if you play like this, it will look like this. And if you want to use these sounds on your Discord server so the other members can enjoy your all the sounds from here, so you can do is you can go to your server and make sure you have joined to the voice chat, and after entering the voice chat, you can do is make sure that you are using the same device as the input device in Soundpad and also in the Discord. Actually, there is no direct method to integrate the direct app or the original app to the Soundpad. All you can do is use an input device to deliver the sounds from the Soundpad to your Discord voice channel. So you have to do is you have to simply first make sure that you are on Soundpad. On here you have to simply click on files, and from here you have to simply click on preferences. Now from here in the preferences section you have to go to devices. Here you can see devices. So right now I'm using this device here, so this one. So make sure that your input device is exact device. This is actually the recording device here, or here you can find audio here, and also make sure that you are on the same device. So after that you have to go to the Discord, you open your Discord application, then you have to simply do is simply click on this gear icon here to get to the user settings, and from here you just need to go to the devices again. Here you can find also the devices, simply click on it, and the streamer mode is turned on there. So I'm turning off this streamer mode. You have to turn it off first, then go to devices, and here you can find the devices here, that connected device. So you have to connect this device from here, or you can do is you can go to the voice and video, and from here you can find the input device, and make sure that you are using the same device as your input device from here. Now you have to do is you have to select here the none. After that you have to cancel the this cancellation for using that Soundpad here, and that's pretty much all thing you have to do to get the Soundpad sounds on your Discord voice channel. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.